Hi, welcome to this video. We're gonna guide you through how to add custom fonts to Instagram bio. You cannot upload custom fonts directly into the Instagram app, but you can use a web-based font generator to copy and paste unique Unicode text directly into your bio. So head over to platforms like IG Font, in my case, or Creative Fabrica, or Logwork. So I'm gonna use IG font. So I'm gonna type something at the very top here. Let's say my name is Mo. All right, choose your style: bold, cursive, or typewriter. And let's say this one. I'm gonna copy this one, copy it, and paste to Instagram. So head over to your profile at the bottom right, edit profile, and go over to your bio and paste, of course, the font, right? And hit done at the very top here. And basically, that's it. Consider liking this video, subscribe it really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.